welcome back to the channel. So where we left off was we just finished painting them, trailing arms, they're all done. So today I'm going to be painting the tank and the coils and some other pieces. So there's a strap for the tank, and then clean up some other pieces for some other plastic pieces that go on the back of the Civic. And then also going to be cleaning up this, forget what it's called, bash bar. Then once that's all done, I'll be able to put it all onto the car, and then that should be done. I should be done with the back of the car, and I can start working on the front then. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the tank. pieces have dried up. As you can see, all this gone all into the rust pieces and turned it into a, so we can paint it easily. So all I'm gonna do is just start painting everything and then let it dry. It's gonna look nice. So everything's been painted now. I've also got the tank over here all painted, so I'm just waiting for that to dry. So still waiting for these pieces to dry also. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna clean up these plastic pieces, and then once everything's dry, I can then start putting it all back onto the car. Okay, so we're back now and everything has dried up. All the paint's nice and dry, all these pieces, and then the tank outside is all dry, and the slam bar. So what I'm going to do now is start putting everything together and start putting it on back onto the back of the Civic. So we're probably going to start with putting the tank on and then some other pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, whoa, got the whole rear all assembled now, except for some of the brake pieces, because I'm waiting for some parts still. So but I have to start working on the front, or I can't start working on the front until I get the backs down. So I put everything back on except for the brake lines and some other pieces. So now, since the back part's down, I'm able to lift this up now, take the wheels off, and start fixing everything. But I won't be doing that in this video. I'll probably be doing that in the next one. I'll end it here. So in the next one, I'll probably be working on getting rid of all the rust at the front. Thanks for watching.